Remodel Me Today. We're here with Brian and Lisa Marty. Good morning to you guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Brian, last time we were here, we were talking about kitchens. Now we're moving on to the bathrooms. I love doing this because you're going to show us all the different fixtures that are out and all the different things that you can do for your bathroom when you remodel it. Brian, show us the different products that you have to remodel your bathroom.
When a client comes in for a bathroom remodel, we typically will start out with the tile design. There are a lot of different, from very contemporary modern to traditional types of styles that you can pick from. And the tile is changed by my reps that come in on a monthly basis. We move from the tile into what their needs are in the shower. Most of the time today, people are looking for a handheld in the shower, so it makes it easier. If you have teenage kids, they would love this setup because this particular item here is a Bluetooth speaker, and they come in different colors, so if you have 3 or 4 kids, they all know which speaker is theirs.
So you can really sing in the shower.
Yeah, and then if you can go do a fully automated shower system as well. This here is a spa-like shower system. We've got body jets, you've got the rain head, and the control panel, which will save numerous temperature controls for you.
Tell us how the bathroom showers have evolved over the years with the different options with tile.
Years ago, people would just go in and we would take the same tile all the way around, all the way up, and then we started adding in more accent pieces. It's evolved more today into where we'll do, a spa type shower like this, where you have an inset and a picture frame setup. And also two-toning a shower with something like this over here. You have the white subway tile and the glass subway tile together.
What are people putting on their shower floors?
Something that's becoming very popular now is going to a linear drain, which is long drains, anywhere from 24 to 48 to even 6 feet long.
What are some of the obstacles when you are creating a new shower?
A lot of our bathroom remodels are clients whose homes were built in the 80s. In the 80s and the 90s, everybody had a jacuzzi tub. Probably 90% of the time we'll go into a home that has one of those, and those get ripped out. We put a nice larger shower in depending on what they're looking for.
Could you take us through a transformation of a bathroom?
This project was done in Independence. The project, when we walked in, had one of the big jacuzzi tubs in it, like I was describing. What we did there was opened up the wall where the shower was, made the shower bigger, removed the 2 vanities, took out the garden tub, and went to a freestanding tub in this bathroom with one his and her sink vanity. The house has a lot of old wood in it, so everything's done in earth tones.
So if you're looking for products for your next remodel of your kitchen or bath, come to Remodel Me Today.